This is the vinyl roof topping kit for the Jaguar XJ6 and XJ12 models. It works for both the 2-door and 4-door versions. So it's a vinyl roof topping. It's available in black or a sort of tobacco brown colour. It's literally glued to the top of the outside of the car, so it's got a waterproof elements to it. As you can see, it's got the correct grain on it here. This is the back of the car, the wing area, effectively where the rear screen is. This is the front of the car over here. I folded it in half because it's rather big on the table. But down each side you get this seam sewn down here, which is also top stitched, and it's done that deliberate way so that when the water's on the top of the car, it rolls down off the top of the seam over the seam, as opposed to getting stuck in the seam. So the allowance is always that way around. Also worth noting that on the back of the seam we sew this down, so basically they become your anchor points when you actually glue it down into the car. You basically glue that all along the contour of the car. They're the only things that can kind of go wrong when you're trimming it, because you want to make sure that they're in a straight line. So that's where you start, so then you work away from that point. So that's the kit.